Hi, Dr. Anju Bathur, Senior Consultant, Obstetrician, Mangalam Hospital, Rajapat, Jaipur. Pre-eclamptic toxemia is a very well-known entity, and it was very common to see eclamptic patient around 15 years back, and all these patients used to throw fit, and the maternal mortality was very high, especially in Rajasthan because of eclampsia. As the medical approaches have reached the antenatal patients, the chances of eclampsia has reduced. But because of PET, because of pre-eclamptic conditions, the complications in the baby and in ladies can be reduced if we are able to diagnose this disease in the earlier forms. So the prerequisites of PET is increase in weight, that is BMI more than 30, and if the age is more than 32, and if there is chances of blood pressure in the previous pregnancy, all these patients have more chances of developing PET. How do we diagnose it? We can diagnose it by measuring the blood pressure, by seeing the family history if there is any chances of medical disease or blood pressure or diabetes, if the BMI is more, or we can go in for color Doppler of the uterus, and if we see the resistance of the uterine artery, then the chances of PET is more. There are drugs available which can be started before the pregnancy and during the pregnancy, which can take care of these complications of PET. Complications of PET basically is more newborn based, that is the weight of the baby is less, the blood pressure of the female can go very high leading to complication, and there are chances of IUD, chances of the liquor going much less, or the preterm delivery. All these can be avoided if the PET is diagnosed early and the medicines are started. So take care of yourself and go to your doctor to find out whether you are candidate for PET. Thank you.